How to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. So without further ado, let's begin. So normally if you unblock someone and try to block them again, Facebook requires you to wait 48 hours. But there is a way around this. Open Facebook application on your device and make sure that you log in. Tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and choose Setting in Privacy option and tap on Settings. Scroll down and navigate to Blocked or Blocking and select that. Here you will see all your blocked users. So you need to locate that particular user and tap on Unblock. A pop-up message will appear and you can see you'll have to wait 48 hours if you want to block this person again. So alternatively, you can easily go to your friends section and then choose a particular user whom you want to block without waiting 48 hours. Now tap on three dots next to the profile and tap on Report Profile. Here you can easily select the reason. And by reporting them, Facebook limits the interaction with you, essentially blocking them. And that's only the way in order to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.